Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about another type of loop, that is while loop. So we have already talked about for loop, and one major difference between for loop and while loop is that in for loop we can write the initializing point, the ending point and the incrementation in the starting only. For example, I have initialized the value will start from 100, it will end at 200, and after each element there will be addition of 2. So in for loop this is done in one line only, but in while loop we can only add the ending point. So let's see what happens in while loop. First I'll view it in presentation mode. Now let's get started with while loop. So in while loops, first I'll define a variable named marks, and for example marks is equal to 95, and now I'll apply the while loop, and here's its syntax. While name of the variable less than 101, print what should I print? You are intelligent. So this is how while loop works. Oh, in syntax we also add this colon here. So this is how this loop will work. Value of marks is 95, and this loop will work till the value of marks is less than 101. So this loop will work 6 times, that is for 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. And what will it print? You are intelligent. So let's see if it works. Shift F10 to run the program. Connecting to console. So let's see what it is doing now. So it's running, and an infinite loop has started. You can have a look how many times you are intelligent has print. An infinite loop has been started, and the reason behind that is because marks were equal to 95 and we ran while loop for marks is less than 101. So 95 will always be less than 101. So an infinite loop will start and it will keep on printing you are intelligent. So what we have to do in this case, we can write marks plus equal 1. So marks plus equal 1 stands for, I can write in comment here, marks equal marks plus 1. So in short we can write marks plus equal 1, and this is how we write a comment in Python. We apply this hashtag, not hashtag, we apply this hash and we write a comment. So what is a comment? Let's talk about comments now, if we have started commenting already. So comment is a part of code which doesn't run in the program, but we add a comment for making a program easy to read. Or for example, we are working in a company and we have to explain our code to someone else. So if another program gets a program to work on, so they can understand our code if we keep on adding comments time to time. For example, I can write here hash marks can only be less than 101 or whatever. So this part of the code that is after hash will not run, will not show any output. It's just to make the program more readable. So that's how comments work. So that was the sub part of this video, that is comments. Now let's see what happens in a while loop. I'll run it again and let's see what happens this time. This time you are intelligent has been printed 1 2 3 4 5 6 times, that is for 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100 value of marks. So what's the difference between this time and the last time when the infinite loop started? Last time we didn't add this. So now how the program will work, marks is equal to 95, it will see if marks is less than 101 and run this loop, that is print you are intelligent. Then we'll go to the next line which is inside the loop only. As we can see, it is intended with a space here, and it will add 1 to the value of marks. So now the value of marks is 96. Now again the loop will run because marks is less than 101, and it will keep running till the value is 101, and it will not be less than 101. So this will not print you are intelligent. So So this is how while loop works. I also wanted to talk about break operator in this one, break and continue operator, but I've already told you a lot to learn in this video, so I'm gonna go easy on you this time. So just keep on practicing loops because it's one of the most important part in programming. And that's all for this video. In the next video I'll be talking about break and continue. So share it with your friends so more people get to know about this. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.